Hey everybody, it's Amy Dickinson Campbell. It's the space weather report this is for Monday, guys, the 22nd of May. Can you believe it already? Whole new Monday again. All right, so let's get into this, shall we? Solar winds are blowing at 578 kilometers a second, which is pretty fast. The super danger zone is when it goes over 600 kilometers a second, but it's dancing toward the top. We've got some severe M and X class elevated chance of flares coming up. So right now the neutron count is, oh good, the neutron count is 1.4% below the maximum, so it's still down. We'll take that because it had been like 0.6, so it went down a little bit more. That's good. It saves the headaches. All right, but we've got a 75% increased chance of M-class flares the next 24 to 48 hours and 30% increased chance of X-class flares. And so what that means is with these extreme flares, it can burn stuff, burn your skin, burn your plants, burn your animals. So make sure you stay hydrated and stay shaded. It can also, when there's extreme flares like that, they can cause basically the coronal mass ejections. They can fry satellites. So it can cause satellite disruption and problems with your ATM card and your cell phones and things like that. Now let's look at the geomagnetic activity. We've got a 35% chance of activity in the mid-latitudes and a 60% severe activity next 24 hours at the poles. Poles are always worse. The geomagnetic activity, because it's magnetic, can cause problems with power grids as well. But the big stuff are coronal mass ejections. Now, as far as the 22nd of May for asteroids, they've got 4 or 5 on the radar. And 3 of them are in the red zone. They've got one that's 0.6 lunar distance, so it's halfway between the moon and the planet. And it's 11 meters in diameter, so it's 33 feet in diameter, so it's a pretty good sizer. And it's 0.6 lunar distance on the 22nd. Then they've got one that's 1.6 lunar distance, so it's a little about a moon and a half away, and it's 30 meters in diameter, so 90 feet. It's a good size one. And then one that's 2.4 lunar distance, and it's 14 meters in diameter, so it's 2.5 moons away. So the half moon one, though, one that's going to be between the planet and the moon, is 11 meters in diameter, so might be able to see it with your telescopes and your naked eye. It doesn't tell you when it's coming through, it just tells you it's coming. All right, so there's that. Stay hydrated, stay shaded, look out for your plants, your animals, your elderly, your infirmed, and each other. And since we're extreme solar cycle right now, and it looks like we've got a really increased chance of extreme solar flares, make sure if you're working out in the sun that you give yourself breaks. Stay out of the direct sunlight as much as you can and just take frequent breaks because it's extreme and there's an uptick in skin cancers as a direct result of it. So stay safe out there, guys, and I'll see you again on Tuesday. Bye.